Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Traveller in the active specification. So this car has tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and there's also cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 12,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.